Garden Hotel. Hey guys, this is the accessible bathroom. We have all of our stuff there, and the mirrors and the lights. It has a toilets, towels, thing to put stuff, a little shelf thing. This is the shower. And it has a little bench that comes down. And it has shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And it has a handheld thing, shower head thing that you can take off. That's the regular shower head. This is where you can hang your coat up or sweater or your clothes for the night before. You have an ironing board, an iron. They have a safe, 2 queen beds in the accessible room. It has this chair, which was over there and we moved it over. They have an outlet here. And then they have an outlet there. They have a fridge in here. We have a USB right here to plug in. And we have extension cord down here to plug stuff in. Hello. It has trees on the wallpaper. There's a TV, LG TV, and they have recycling and garbage, and they have drawers to put your clothes in. This is the view of the parking lot and the expressway. We have this photo. They have this little Mickey Mouse picture. We got some food from the California Deli inside the hotel lobby. I got the individual cheese pizza and it was tasty. I would get it again. The person I'm with got the cheeseburger with onion rings and they said it was good. Look, they have Mickey Mouse Club autographs and they had a reunion here of the Mickey Mouse Club. Look at all these Disney knickknacks. You can send a letter to the Princess Kreme. The staff were friendly, the beds were comfy, the beds were a little on the high side. They have an ADA shuttle to the parks. I enjoyed staying here. I would stay again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new video uploads.